everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we're gonna study about graphics in PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint and what is graphic? PowerPoint is an application software which is meant to create a PowerPoint slide or a presentation. With the help of presentation, we can share our thoughts, our views to the viewers. What are graphics? Graphics are the pictures, images, videos, audios or clip art which we can add into our slide to enhance the presentation. Graphics make our presentation more readable and attractive. So let's start and learn how we can add different types of graphics in our slide.
Introduction to MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is a program that is included in the Microsoft Office suite. It is used to make presentation for personal and professional uses. Microsoft PowerPoint, the program, was created in the software company named Forethought Inc. by Robert Gaskin and Dennis Austin. It was released on April 20, 1987. After 3 months of its creation, it was acquired by Microsoft. The first version of this program was introduced by Microsoft, that is Microsoft or MS PowerPoint 2.0 in 1990. It is a presentation-based program that uses graphics, video, etc. to make a presentation more interactive and interesting. The file extension to save PowerPoint presentation is ppt.ppt. A PowerPoint presentation comprising slides and other feature is also known as PPT. Gradually, the version of the program was more creative and more interactive. Various other features were added in PowerPoint, which massively increased the requirement and use of this MS Office program. Now, the graphics in PowerPoint 2010. We learned to work with the text component of PowerPoint slide, but a multimedia presentation means multi-mode content. Another major constituent of presentation slide is graphical component such as images, shapes, word art, etc., which help to enhance the presentation. Different types of graphical object can be added on the slide, which using the specific slide layout. Using the specific slide layout, having a placeholder to add them. We can also add them directly on the slide if it is needed at any place of the slide. So now let's start using and working with the graphical component to make illustration based effective presentation. Now the first is inserting image. PowerPoint allows us to insert images from the clip art. We can add clip art from the gallery or to add pictures stored in our computer. So first, adding a clip art, click on the clip art icon in the placeholder. Here you can see our no placeholder. When we are going to click over these placeholder, you will get direct option to insert table, insert chart, insert a smart graphics, 3D models, pictures, online pictures, insert video and insert an icon. Now first I'll show you how we can add some online picture. Adding some online picture, you have to click this one. This is online picture option, and with this online option we can add any kind of picture. Here you can find different categories of the picture, such as aeroplane or animals, fruits, weather, background, balloons and so on. So according to our choice, if some background image is required, so we can use these pictures. Like I want a weather, so I am selecting from here any one to add picture in my slide background or in a slide. So adding this one, and after selecting a picture, press insert to add picture slide. Adding a picture connection. If having an internet connection, then only you are allowed, or you can access online, download online pictures from the placeholder option. Now this is about how to use picture online. Next one is inserting picture offline, means the picture which is saved in your computer, how you can use it. So first I am taking one new slide, blank slide, and again going to the insert tab, and here under the image group, the first one option, picture, you can find this device. This device means the picture which are stored inside in your device. You can browse it from here. So when you are having picture in your storage device, so you don't need any internet connection. I'm searching any picture. I'm using this insert. Alright, so there is not a big difference inserting image or inserting some clips. Now the next is inserting word art. Now what is word art? Inserting word art tool can be used to add decorative text with special effect for creating slide, title, heading, important point, etc. The text can be added in different shape, style and color. Now let's add some text to use word art in our document. So I am using the title one. Here I am writing the wolf and an ant. So making it attractive, I am making it in the center of the line, and whatever the editing or word art I want to insert, I will use it in this part only. So for using word art or to insert word art text, first click word art option in the text group on the insert tab. Here you can see under the insert tab there is option under the text group, that is word art. Now in expanded gallery, when you will click here, an expanded gallery of word art style will appear. Now select that one you want to use in your slide. Word art text will appear on the slide. Now type the required text and click outside the word art text box. You can delete the older one and we can place this in place of the title. Take it to the top of the page or slide. Now next is to add special effect like shadow, glow, reflection, etc. You can use text effect option in the word style. So if you are interested to add some more effect in your title or in the part of your document, just go again to the insert tab and again here the text group, and you can find here we have to first then the format option is here, and under the format tab you can find word art style. This word art style will help you to add text effect which comes under format tab, and here this is the text effect. So there are different types of text effect like shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation and transform. So according to your choice you can use in your text. Next we will learn how to add shape in our slide. PowerPoint also gives the option to create various types of pre-designed complex shapes quickly on the slide like blocks, arrow, call out, stars and banner or flowchart, etc. Now see here and learn how to draw shapes from any of these categories. To draw shape from any of these categories, first click on the shape option. It is given in the illustration group on the insert tab. To expand it the list. From the different categories, click the shape of the button we want to draw. Now place the pointer on the slide and drag it to draw the required shape, or simply double click the shape button to insert it on a slide. If you want to insert some slide or shape in your slide, you can double click or you can insert it by simply putting mouse cursor and dragging to the bottom side. Now next is the changing the outline and fill color. Now if you want to change the outline of the shape which you have inserted, or you want to fill the color, you have to do this way. First, to change the line style, line color or fill color on the shape, first click to select the shape. Now use shape fill option in the shape style group on the format tab. Shape fill that is given here, and to modify you can choose the color. Suppose I want to use a yellow color. So this way we have filled the shape of our according color. Next, to modify the shape border, if you want to change the borders of our inserted shape, you have to click here, come again to the format tab under the shape style group and press here shape outline. Now this way you can select the color of your outline shape. Now next is shape effect. To enhance the shape object, you can also add the special effect using shape effect option in the shape style group. The available effects are shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel and 3D. Now what is shadow? Shadow, to show shadowed object. Let's try this. Now you can see the inserted shape is appearing in a shadow form. Now let's try some more different shape effect. Second is reflection, to add mirror reflection effect. So for adding reflection, you can use the options given under the reflection group. Next is the glow. Glow, to add glow effect along the edges. Soft edges. Soft edges, to soften the sharp edge of the object. If something is sharp at the corner of the shape, it will be soft easily. Next is bevel. Bevel, to add a 3D effect. If you want to add some 3D effect in your shape, you can use a bevel shape effect. The next is 3D rotation. 3D rotation will help to image in a 3 dimension. Now in 3D you can see here again some options are there like parallel, perspective and oblique. Let's try the perspective one. It will be little tilt towards the right side. So these all are the shape effect. Next we will learn resizing graphical object. We can resize the inserted graphical object on the slide. So, to fit in the available space. For resizing graphical object, select the object like we have selected this picture, this shape. Select the object to be resized. Resizing handles will appear after the long and edges of the selection. the mouse pointer on the resizing handle as it turns to the double-headed arrow. Drag inward and outward as needed to change the shape. So this way you can take these pointers along with the cursor, double-sided cursor, and drag the side right. This way it will tilt, or it will help you to resize your inserted graphic. Now next is repositioning object. We can also reposition or move the inserted object for its better placement on the slide. So for repositioning, from moving or for shifting our inserted graphic from in our slide or outside the slide, first click to the slide object or the object which we have inserted. Keep the mouse pointer on it and drag it towards the new position. Unless you will not get the cursor in a four-headed way, you are not able to drag wherever you want to take it. So just come to the corner of any side of your inserted object and come to more closer to the pointer of the edges and take it towards the place where you want to insert this. So this way we have learned how to add a picture or a graphic online and offline, and how we can use or resize or move the graphic which we have added.